types of programs. Some people use apps on their phone while others use programs on the computer. Everyone is unique in their own way. And what I really want to stress is that there is no program better than the other. Better than the other. Better than the other. Better than the other.
Then the other. Are you kidding? Okay, let's go to the video now. You said that there's no app better than the other. That's a big lie. That's a big. Don't vex me. Don't vex me. Look, for instance, check out Viva Video. Can you say Viva Video? Damn. I don't think you've used almost all the editing apps before, because I have experience. I definitely have experience on editing apps. So if you say they are not apps better, you have to do research. Did you do research? I commend your video. It's wonderful. But just go into more research, because there are apps better than the other. For instance, Alight is not better than CapCut. It might be better in some perks or blah 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 blah. But yeah, it's not better than CapCut. And Viva Video, InShot, all those primary basic. Would you say they have their own good ways of? No, it's not possible. Now, pause please. Let me think of what I'll say next. You're correct when you said everybody uses their own editing program in their own way. That's very dope. I'm talking about Vivian Shia. Nice to talk. Check it out. I also made a video that comparison between Alight Motion and CapCut. You see which one is better. Check this here. Check out the video. It's actually, you see how Alight Motion is better than CapCut in that video. But I also made another. Is a never-ending competition, because there are always people that, like, you're saying which one is better, Samsung or iPhone. There are always people that will say Samsung is better than iPhone and iPhone is better than Samsung, blah blah blah. It's an endless war between phones and stuff. Yeah. Now let's talk about CapCut. Now CapCut is my first love. You can say that, because out of all the editing apps I've used, Flipper Clip, InShot, Viva Video, Alight Motion, many more, CapCut stands out. Especially in the effects part, because it does update CapCut. So nice. CapCut is my first love. Because I can just try it. But I don't want to hype the app. You check it out for yourself. Now, number 2, let's talk about iMovie. iMovie is dope. It's a basic editing app that, anybody that does not know how to edit, they're just transiting from normal phone editing to what they call it, to my mobile apps editing. So, iMovie is just a simple basic editor that is free, like CapCut. That is free. So that's one thing about iMovie. And also, if you just want to start editing on phone, like just begin your journey editing career on phone, it's fine. Try it. iMovie is okay. And let's talk about Movistar next. Movistar, yeah, Movistar. Movistar is dope. Although you have to pay. That is the worst of all. Why pay? Even if it's 0.95 cents or $1, as long as you pay a dime, it's out of my list. It's out of my see his brother over here at CapCut. They don't pay for nothing, but they still get a dope cash. Now Movistar, you pay. Number whatever number, I don't know what number, but next one is Funimation. It's one of those two, but you also have to pay. I hate apps that you have to pay for. It's like, just must you pay? And the last app I'm going to talk about in this video is Alight Motion. Alight Motion has dope stuff, nice, but comes to a part you will have to pay. Again, why? No, please, why do you have to pay? I think that's all I have to say on this video. To be honest, I don't know what to say again. That's all. Peace. Yo. I forgot to do an outro, because I was like, everybody doing an outro. Let me not do an outro. But no. What if you guys don't subscribe just because I didn't do so let me just complete video. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you got to this point, you're a loyal human being. Unlike the other people that stopped at the beginning. This video is not boring. Please. Is it boring?
It is.
Okay. That's all, please.